Hello friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. When the sun gets unforgiving, there's only one thing that truly hits the spot. The king of summer drinks, Panna. To start, we'll need grated raw mango, gur jaggery, jeera powder, black salt powder, chaat masala. First, we will start with adding the grated raw mango into a blender. Add some water. Give it a high-speed whisk until it's a vibrant, smooth concentrate. Add water in a pan. Add blended concentrate in a water. Give it a nice boil. Add some jeera powder. Add a little black salt. Add chaat masala. And add gur jaggery. Add to another bowl and keep in a fridge to cool. And that's summer in a glass. Refreshing, tangy, and so easy. Garnish with some shredded raw mangoes. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal favorites. Now, go grab some mangoes and get blending.